Hey, welcome back to another TechWrap tutorial. My name is Kim and I am the crafter behind Dusty Blue Cottage. And today we are going to be using TechWrap's 1 series as well as their bubble-free chrome series vinyl to make a cute Valentine's Day card. And I absolutely love how you can coordinate these two different types of vinyl and find the colors to match so you can end up with some pretty fun projects. And we're just going to grab a blank cardstock card today and we're going to attach our vinyl directly to the paper. I chose a cute design of some Valentine conversation hearts, ran it through my Cricut, and got the vinyl all ready to weed. Now I'll set aside the chrome pieces here for a second and weed the large pieces that are the base of the conversation hearts. Okay, now as far as these pieces go, they are quite large and they can be pulled up just like a sticker and put onto our card. So we don't even have to worry about using transfer tape on this part. So I'm going to go ahead and just take each of the hearts, if I can grab a hold of it here. Okay. And I'm just going to layer them on my card. See, even with it being a little bit stuck and needing repositioned, it has not torn the paper at all. You just need to be careful as you're doing it. And we'll add the last one on here. All right, now we'll take our individual pieces of chrome, and on this piece I lost the little dot of the eye on here, and it's still on here. I don't know if you're able to see it, but I'm just gonna grab it. Well, actually, I'm going to grab it with my tweezers here and set it to the side. All right. Now we'll go ahead and weed the rest of this. I'm going slow with the chrome to make sure the pieces stay down because these little highlight pieces are really fine. So I'm making sure they stick real, oops, pulls it all the way off. Okay. And we'll go ahead and grab this little piece with the tweezers too. We'll go ahead and grab the little green piece here. Just gonna hold the highlight down for a second till I get it separated. Okay, and last piece, our purple piece here. And now to apply the highlights, I'm going to use a piece of the transfer tape here from TechWrap. Don't need a real big piece. And because we're putting this on paper, I'm going to take the transfer tape, and before I try to pick up the design pieces, I'm going to lay the transfer tape on a paper towel a couple times and peel it back off. And as you can see, the transfer tape picks up some of the little fuzzies off of the paper towel, and that'll help this to be less grippy so it doesn't tear our paper. And now I'll go ahead and grab the pink highlights. It's wanting to move all over on me. And I'll go ahead and line it up on the heart here. And I'm just going to push down lightly so that we don't rip our paper, and peel it off, and we have really shiny, cute highlight to this conversation heart. Now I'll go ahead and add the couple little pieces that had come off. The little dot to my eye. And this little top highlight piece there, and just apply them like so. And then we'll take our green highlight, oops, and we'll go ahead and lay it out, line it up here on this heart. Just push it down with our fingers. And then last but not least, we have our little purple highlight. And same as with the other two, we'll just get it lined up and put it in place. Just pressing it lightly with our fingers and slowly removing the transfer tape. So there you go. We have a cute little Valentine with a really pretty glitter shadow line on it for the conversation hearts, done with regular adhesive vinyl on paper. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe for more TechWrap inspiration. Take care.